Now, one of the things that we are seeing, of course, in the new energy vehicle market is that companies or Chinese companies continue to do very well. I mean, Xiaomi is one of the cars or one of the brands that just tap in the new energy vehicle space, and they are selling their SU7, which has been doing pretty well. I mean, the ramp up has been steadily growing, which is something that is pretty amazing. I mean, the reason why I'm talking about this is, well, the president of ONVO just came and obviously say some comment or wrote something on Weibo, which apparently he was saying or giving kudos to SU7, saying that they managed to get to 10,000, or their production capacity got to 10,000 units by third month, and of course 20,000 units by the seventh month. But the one thing that he said, he was like L60, he believed that they will get to the 20,000 before the 7 month. In fact, he said in 6 months the ONVO L60 production capacity would have reached 20,000, which will therefore mean we could see ONVO seeing some massive sales in the 6th month, or in month number 6, which is something that we look forward to, as it will have a possibility of delivering 20,000 vehicles, which is something that we look forward to. I mean, Xiaomi, already by the 3rd month, they were already sitting at a production capacity of 10,000. And if Nio already is saying in the 6th month they would have reached 20,000 production capacity, it means that by December we could expect maybe over 10,000 production capacity from, of course, ONVO L60, or from Nio and ONVO of this L60 model, which is something that we look forward to. I know for now there have been a couple of speculations, a couple of news that are coming to say that ONVO might sell 35,000, 40,000 cars this year, but I suppose we'll wait and see, because the first month we are going to get, if indeed this signal is strong, or give us a guidance on what we can expect, is the kind of deliveries we are going to see this Friday. If we get 5,000, this will be great for Nio and ONVO, because they would have reached as per what they had projected, right? Because this year, based on ONVO initial plan or initial target was to sell 20,000 vehicles this year, but rumors are saying it could be more, because ONVO came out and saying that the bottlenecks, or the production capacity bottlenecks, they are able to solve them much quicker, which therefore will result in them selling maybe more than what they initially projected, which is something that is amazing, something that is good, and that is the main primary statement that is making a lot of the new investors to be bullish when they are talking about or looking at the ONVO deliveries. I mean, if they are saying that they are resolving that, then chances are we could easily see Nio selling way more than 20,000 this year, which, as it stands, like I said, there is, I think the article we read, I think 2 days ago, it was talking about 30 to 35,000 this year, which we are yet to see. We will see how that one unfolds, but hopefully we get to see more deliveries. But this year, it's not an interesting year, or that much interesting when you look into ONVO. But 2025, I tell you, that is the year that we need to brace ourselves, because already by March we know that ONVO will be able to deliver 20,000 on a month to month, which is something that is pretty exciting, something that is amazing, and I look forward to that. Next year we are going to see this model doing exceptionally well, and I cannot wait the kind of sales that ONVO will be generating on a month to month before even Firefly starts with the deliveries. You'll know that next year we've got Firefly also, right? So we need to brace ourselves for what's coming. There are some quite number of new investors who are saying Firefly could also sell maybe a total of 60,000 units next year. We'll see. I mean, Firefly, it's another catalyst, or big catalyst for Nio, because that model is expected to range between 100 to 200,000 RMB in terms of price. And you will know that Mini Cooper has launched their latest EV Mini Coopers, and I think price wise they're starting at is it around 150,000 RMB or 148,000 RMB, I just remembered. And the Nio CEO said the Firefly will be priced lower than that, which is something that is very interesting, and it makes me wonder, or it makes us wonder, the kind of price that Nio is going to put for their Firefly sub brand. So blue sky is coming, man. Long term will win. I am very excited about this. 2025, it's a year where we get to profitability, and I cannot wait for us to hit that target, to hit that mark. I mean, so many of the investors right now, all they are just waiting for is to Nio to turn to profitability. And I was laughing with someone, I think it was yesterday, who came under the comment section on one of the videos I did, saying that they cannot wait to see Nio get to 200 million volume on a single day. And I was like, once we hit profitability, that will be very much possible. With profitability, I think it will come somewhere between Q3 and Q4 of 2025. That is what we're going to see, and we look forward to that. We look seeing Nio becoming profitable next year, which is massive, which is bullish, and we will be waiting for that to take place. So yes, ONVO will get to 20,000 production capacity earlier. The ONVO President just wrote on Weibo apparently today, which is something that is bullish, something that is great, and we look forward to that. So tell me what you think about this. I think the future is bright. Blue sky is coming. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will definitely be rewarded. Yesterday, Nio finished trading down 2%, but again, it's funny how you continue, or you will see a couple of comments coming in the video you did complaining about the share price, asking, but I suppose I understand, because there are those that, of course, I mean, they are investing into this Nio stock, maybe not for that long, or not for the long term. So in a way that they want to see, maybe starting to seeing their gains, or Nio flipping and see massive gains, which yeah, I'm not complaining, I'm just saying it's also surprising to see some of these comments. But anyways, I think blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Share price wise, Nio could be, when they reach profitability, I think $20 should be out of the equation, because they need to be over that. And I tell you, 2025, it is the year that Nio becomes profitable, and we look forward to that. Otherwise, just thought I'd just give you this quick update to tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Do your own due diligence so that at least you are comfortable as you are investing onto this stock, because in as much as we can talk about these things, if you at the end of the day you don't also read some of this stuff yourself, you'll get to panic sell when you see share falls, or when you see some of the short sellers coming and just posting funny stuff or negative stuff about Nio. So it is important that over and above the videos you watch, you also sometimes read about Nio and see it for yourself, what Nio is doing, so that you are comfortable in your own stock market investing journey. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.